Hello and welcome to Marketing Provisions. In this video, we're going to talk about our website design services and what you actually get out of your website from us. And we've got some pretty good features that we offer for our clients. You're not just getting a website, you're getting a website that grows with you and your business as you grow and your needs. And so let's take a look at some of the features. One is the responsive website design. And then another is going to be your content management system that you can go in and change your own website 24/7. Or we can manage that for you either way, but you've got the option to use it yourself. The other thing is our search engine optimization, which is built into each one of our new websites as well. And not only do you want your website to look good, but you want it to function great and also be SEO friendly. And when somebody's looking for a service that you provide, it actually shows up, first couple pages. Without that, then your website's kind of useless. If nobody's visiting it or using it, then it's just kind of a waste of money. So in our affordable solutions, we pack this into all of our websites that you get. So it's not just a website, it's not just SEO, and it's not just content management system. It's all of that wrapped into one. So with that being said, let's talk about a little of each of these features. And so responsive website design, basically it's for each device, as you see here. All of our websites, we design one code. We don't have to design a code for each device. Basically, it all scales accordingly on each device on its own. So very affordable. As you'll see in the examples I'm going to show, that it'll scale accordingly. And as an example, I'm going to show you that if I minimize my screen, then this is probably an iPhone or Android layout. Okay, it's just because the screen's small, so then it scales accordingly. And as you can see, everything looks good. You just have to scroll up and down or click back to the top if you want to, and then here's your menu, that sort of thing. You can see we still got the graphics all scaled down accordingly. Now, if it was on an iPad, you'd probably come out to here and you get the menu to look like that. And of course, back to PC, we're looking like this again. And that's what we call a responsive website design. It just works and looks good for all devices. Now, the other feature is content management system. CMS is probably a word you've heard. And so what that is that at any time you can come in and manage your own system without having to get the website designer involved. Once the design is in place and you just want to build out your content and build out your pages, that sort of thing, then it's ready for you to go in and do that. Now, we do offer services where we'll go in and we'll build out all your content for you if you want to. But again, we're trying to be affordable, and if the client would like to go in and make the changes themselves at any given time and day, then you can. So with that, you'll have access to a back-end administration section, and you'll be able to log in. And once you're logged in, you'll see that we have all these things back here. It is a wealth of information and tools and just everything you need to build a successful website. We're able to build out photo galleries. We can do reservation systems. We can do booking engines, appointment schedulers, calendar of events. There's over 7,000 different things that can be added on to this, in an instant, ready to go. Governments, schools, big companies such as McDonald's, IHOP, and Nikon, and a bunch of people use this CMS system. It's very popular. There's literally millions of websites built on this content management system. Now, once we build this and we hand the site over to you, we do host it on our servers. But you have the option of taking it, moving it anytime you want to. You own all the design work. We don't hold you hostage. and that sort of thing. So, but like I said, with your content management system, you're able to do things like build out a menu, create your pages, put things in certain positions. Each of our websites have different positions, like this is a menu position, a logo position. We put some artwork here, and as you'll see with some of our examples, there is just no limit on what you can do. So let's get back to the content management, the CMS. And for instance, here, if I wanted to change out what this says, or if I wanted to add in a new line or put in an image or anything like that, I would just go back here into my administration section, and our content is basically called articles. That's our main content. So we're going to go into the article manager, and we're going to go get to our home page. And we've got a lot of pages on our website, so let me get to the home page, which for us we've named it this. And here you go. This is what is here. And for instance, if I wanted to change responsive web design, and maybe I just wanted to put excellent, and then I would just hit save. And then so immediately on the front end, if you hit refresh, you will see that we now have excellent there. It's easy as that, simple. We'll teach you everything you need to know on how to do things, but you've got your fonts, families, and font sizes here. You can change the colors, the styles, bold, italic, things like that. So I'm going to change this back. And for instance, if I wanted to put an image next to it, excuse me, I will click the image icon, and basically I will go find an image to put in. For instance, I do this. Basically, we can put it on the left side, give it a margin, kind of a word wrap, if you will. We can give it a border and that kind of thing, and then we would just hit insert. We can do rollover effects, pop-ups. It's a lot of technical stuff in here, but also very easy to learn. If it's not listed here, then we would go and we would upload it from our computer if we wanted to, and we got different folders set up and different things like that. So let me save and close this because I'm done with that, and go to the front and click refresh to make sure I got my changes done. Yep. All right. So now here's our menu system and our main menu, and as you can see, we've got hierarchies, parents and child menus, and yeah, that sort of thing. So you create menus. Then we've got our extensions, which are modules and plugins and different things like that. There's currently over 7,000 plugins and modules and components available for our CMS system. And those are things like your reservation system. If I wanted to install it, well, it just goes right in instantly, doesn't change anything. The other benefit of this is that the design is wrapped around the system. And if you ever wanted to change your design, but we're scared of losing all your content and have to rebuild all the website, no, it doesn't work that way. We can actually just change the design and everything stays in place, and that saves you money in the long run too. For example, 5 years goes by and you don't like the look of the website, you want to bring it up to a little modern state, then we just redesign, but all your content stays there. That's another benefit. The other thing is our SEO. Of course, it's like I said, if your website's not found, then it's kind of useless to you. So we've designed our websites where it's very SEO friendly. And for instance, if we did a search, and for instance, Myrtle Beach SEO company, yeah, you're looking for one, and I even spelled it wrong, but we're number one here. So we know what we're doing. We're great at that. Web design, we don't rank as high, but we're still on the first page, which is, top 10. We're right here in the middle here. So it's perfect. Our websites work. Our SEO works. Our content management works. Those are the main things that you're going to get out of each and every one of the websites. And like I said, we'll provide the training, give this to you on a disk. We'd like you to host with us on our dedicated servers. We want to make sure your websites load fast. which is a very key component as well to SEO. And so basically, yeah, that's it. That's how we design everything and utilize SEO and that sort of thing, and we'll show you how to do that. But you're not just getting a website, and that's what I wanted to show you. The SEO, we've got everything where you put in your meta keywords, meta descriptions, and yeah, I don't know what else really to say about this. There's literally thousands of items we can go over, but this is the basic information. One other thing I wanted to mention was that with our designs that we do, as I mentioned, it's wrapped around our content management system. Now, we've got two solutions that we do. One is that we use pre-made templates, that we customize to our customers' needs. So, for instance, we've got, one template here that we've done and customized to this client, and, we've got all the full features in it, as we mentioned before, and things like that. The other option is to actually let us custom design the template from scratch. We've got some great designers in-house that we design everything out in Photoshop first and build out a couple pages, and once we reach a decision on the layout, then we actually turn it into a website. A good example of that is the site here, which, as you see, is responsive as well, and it's a full custom website that was done. And then we've also got this one that was a full custom website as well, and another one yet here. So we're able to go in and build complete custom websites. But if you want to save some money and still want it to look good, well, we've got many examples of great looking websites that are still responsive as well, and are great for your company. So I just wanted to touch base on that and let you know that we have complete design services. We also offer logo designs. We do in-house print material, promotional products. We're a full marketing company. We're a one-stop shop. So anything from logo creation, branding, to marketing materials, videos, of course, and we can do it all. All right. Thanks for watching.